Imagine being stuck at an airport, watching your dream vacation slip away because of one missing document. But what if I told you there are breathtaking destinations where you can just go? No visa headaches, no endless paperwork, just pure adventure. Today, I'm counting down 10 incredible countries where you can travel right now with just your passport. And wait until you see number 1. Hey, travel family! You're Turvoyan here, and today's video is going to change how you travel forever. Let's kick off our countdown with a country that literally bridges 2 continents. Ever had breakfast in Asia and lunch in Europe? In Turkey, that's just a Tuesday. Rich history spanning centuries, incredible Turkish cuisine, those Instagram famous hot air balloons, shopping paradise in the Grand Bazaar. Coming in at number 9, the country with more islands than you can visit in a lifetime. Fun fact, if you tried to visit one Filipino island every day, it would take you over 20 years. Crystal clear waters, world's most hospitable people, island hopping adventures, rich marine life and diving spots. Number 8 on our list is where East meets West, in the most dramatic way possible. Did you know you can go from a high-tech metropolis to ancient temples in just 15 minutes here? Shopping enthusiasts, food lovers, city photographers, culture seekers. Lucky number 7 is home to something so special, they put it on their flag. Imagine watching the sunrise over the largest religious monument in the world. Ancient temples at dawn, undiscovered island beaches, living history, luxury for less. At number 6, we're literally touching the sky. Quick question. How many of the world's highest peaks do you think are in Nepal? The answer will shock you. Visa on arrival for most nationalities. Spiritual awakening adventure sports. World's friendliest locals. Halfway through our countdown with the land of smiles. But let me tell you what Instagram influencers won't about Thailand. Secret islands. Locals love mountain temples. Street food. Heaven-famous full moon parties. Number 4 is Europe's best-kept secret, my Indian friends. This one's especially for you. 365 days, visa-free stay. World's oldest wine culture. Caucasus Mountains. European charm. Asian prices. Rich history and heritage. Bronze medal goes to everyone's dream destination. No, this is not a typo. The Maldives is actually visa-free, and yes, there are options for normal people like us. 30-day visa. On arrival, hidden budget secrets. Local island experiences, world's best beaches. Our runner-up is pure magic. 17,000 plus islands, to explore Bali's spiritual energy. World-class surfing, affordable luxury villas, and the crown goes to Malaysia. The perfect blend of everything we travelers dream of. Modern cities meet ancient rainforests, melting pot of cultures. Food paradise beyond imagination. Perfect for digital nomads. Which of these visa-free paradises will you visit first? Drop your country's flag in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button and join our global travel family.